Hey, what is up guys, Nales here from Tech, and in this video I'll show you a really cool flagship cordless vacuum cleaner ROIDMI X30 Pro. I will also include a real-life cleaning test results. I will compare it to the more expensive DREAME V12 Pro, and as always I will share with you the best discount codes which will save you money. Oh, and by the way, I'm doing a free giveaway of this new ROIDMI X30 Pro vacuum cleaner. And if you want to win it, you need to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to the ROIDMI channel, and also leave a comment in the comment section down below. So, without further ado, let's keep going. ROIDMI X30 Pro comes in a pretty compact box. This is by far the smallest box I have ever seen for a cordless vacuum cleaner, but I hope it will still be full of accessories and different kind of brush heads. Fingers crossed. Inside the box you will find a motorized mattress brush, a special pet brush, which comes with a flexible extension hose, the main extension rod, wet mopping attachment, a multi-language manual book, a flat nozzle with a brush head attachment, some extra filters, a really cool magnetic charging dock, power adapter of course. Then you will also find one more vacuum filter with a cleaning tool, an electric brush, and finally the main body of the vacuum cleaner itself. The overall design and build quality feels very solid and premium. I do like that space gray matte finish which hardly collects any fingerprints, and all the accessories in the box are the top quality. As you might noticed, my first impressions are very positive, so let's keep going. Now let me show you the cleaning performance results. In my first test I wanted to see if there is a significant difference between three power modes: Eco, Medium and Turbo. As you can see from this video, my carpet was covered with a lot of dirt, and to my surprise, the cleaning results were more or less the same. Interesting. On my second test, I have decided to make a cleaning comparison between the ROIDMI X30 Pro and my previously reviewed DREAME V12 Pro. Both vacuum cleaners were set to its maximum suction power, and as you can see, both of them did an amazing job. Even despite the fact that one of the vacuum cleaners is rated at 150 air watts and another at 210 air watts, there was no significant difference when it comes to the cleaning performance. And just to prove it once again, on my third sweeping test, both of these cordless vacuum cleaners did a perfect job removing all the hair from the low pile carpet. ROIDMI X30 Pro comes with a non-removable 2500 mAh battery, and based on the company it can last up to 70 minutes. So within the app you can actually select the preferable base level of suction power from 60, 80 or 100 watts. So in order to check the maximum battery work time, on my first test I have set it to 60 watts, and I also used a motorized brush head attachment. After 1 hour and 18 minutes, the ROIDMI X30 Pro stopped working, so it kinda reached the promised 70 minutes work time. On my second test, I have set the base power to 100 watts, which is of course more preferable and more effective while cleaning your house. I have also switched between motorized and general non-motorized brush heads to see how the results might differ. Under the low suction mode, the ROIDMI X30 Pro managed to reach 54 minutes and 46 minutes respectively, while increasing the power to medium it was capable of reaching almost 44 minutes with non-motorized brush attachment and 36 minutes with a motorized main brush. Finally, when I set the maximum power of 150 air watts, the battery work time decreased dramatically to 11 minutes 28 seconds and 10 minutes 40 seconds under the most demanding conditions. So, is this battery pack in the ROIDMI X30 Pro is enough? Well, in most cases it will be really enough unless you live in a really huge house. On average, this vacuum cleaner gives me just enough time to clean the area of around 60 square meters, do a deep cleaning on my living room carpet, and also some light dusting from furniture. In terms of competition, here is my direct battery test comparison between DREAME V12 Pro and ROIDMI X30 Pro. Take a quick look into this table. When it comes to the charging, I really love this magnetic charging station from ROIDMI. Honestly, for me it is the best solution available in the market because the station itself is very minimalistic, it looks great, and it gives that nice satisfying feeling that the magnet picks the vacuum cleaner. Of course, if you are not willing to screw and install the station to the wall, you can also simply attach the charging cable directly to the main body. Finally, to fully charge the ROIDMI X30 Pro from 0 to 100%, it takes around 2 hours, which is around 30% faster compared to some other competitors. Maintenance is yet another important factor when choosing the right cordless vacuum cleaner. Well, in general it can be said the same to many other products. This ROIDMI flagship cleaner has a removable dustbin design, which can be easily detached from the main body. With a single press, the lid on the bottom opens up and removes most of the collected trash inside. Yes, it's not 100% perfect and most of the time there will be a hair and some other particles around the cyclone. However, for those cases you can easily twist and detach the cyclone from the dust box itself. Compared to the DREAME V12 Pro, this makes maintenance much easier, and my only wish is that ROIDMI X30 Pro would have a slightly bigger dust box for more dirt capacity. The main motorized roller brush head and mattress cleaning attachments are also designed in a way to make maintenance quick and easy. ROIDMI X30 Pro is a multifunctional and versatile vacuum cleaner due to different brush heads and accessories included in the box. It has a basic magnetic attachment for a basic wet mopping feature. It also has a special pet brush, which might be useful only if your pet is fine with it, and it also comes with a mattress brush and a flat nozzle for furniture dusting. It seems like a nice overall package, however I do have some feedback points here as well. First of all, the flexible hose can only be used together with a pet brush, but not with a flat nozzle attachment, and in some specific situations you really need that. Secondly, the flat nozzle itself doesn't have an LED light, which could be useful to spot the dust better. Lastly, it would be great to have a better dusting attachment, just like DREAME V12 Pro has, and I hope the ROIDMI is already working on that. So what are my final conclusions? With no doubts, ROIDMI X30 Pro is a high-end premium vacuum cleaner with a great build quality, a really nice design, wonderful magnetic charging solution, and most importantly, the cleaning performance is really good on both carpets and hard floors. It requires regular maintenance just like the other cordless vacuum cleaners, however it's pretty quick and easy due to the smart design which ROIDMI came up with. The extra attachments included in the box gives you more versatility, and a special pet brush might be really useful if you have some brave pets at home. Wet mopping attachment which comes with the X30 Pro is pretty basic, and I would rather prefer a special motorized mopping head, which ROIDMI combines with the X30 Plus. A larger dust box, an LED light on a flat nozzle, and included flat dusting attachment would be great improvement points for the upcoming flagship vacuums. Having all that said, I do think that the ROIDMI X30 Pro delivers a high quality experience. It has some extra gimmick features like the app support, and it also kinda makes you feel good after every cleaning session because it shows how many calories you have burned. As always, I will leave all the best discount codes in the description section below, so don't forget to check it out as it will help you to save some money. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more high quality tech reviews. Thanks for watching, this is Nellis from Nux Tech and I will see you next time.